Have you ever noticed the elaborate security at any airport? The moment you reach the airport gate, there is a security checking who you are and whether you are even allowed to enter the airport or not. The moment you get in, the airline staff checks your ticket before performing boarding or taking your luggages. Next thing, there is another security who is checking you physically and also your luggage before allowing you to enter the most secure area of the airport. And let's say you are trying to use the launch service. The staff at the launch is now checking your credit card to see if you have access to the launch or not. Like the whole of airport has security measures in place to check only the right people can get in and can do only the right things what they are authorized to do. Now, if you are building an application in AWS, AWS has a service called IAM, which acts as the security guard and does all of this security work. It will make sure only the right people get in and do only the right things. Now, let us say you are building an application very similar to maybe GoAVO or a Redbus or something, and you are hosting it in the AWS cloud network. So, IAM, which is Identity and Access Management, will help you manage a lot of those things. First is identity management. In airport, when a staff gets in, their ID card acts as their identity. If you are going as a customer or a traveler, your booking ticket acts as your identity. Similarly, for a system like GoAVO, IAM will ensure who is logging in. Is he a genuine customer, or is he a genuine administrator, or is he a genuine developer or someone? Second is the access management. It will, for example, make sure a senior member can offer a refund to the customer. Let's say a customer is calling up and saying, hey, the bus was dirty, the bus was late, now give me a refund. Now, only senior employees can give that refund. You can control that access from identity and access management. Let us say there are some developers who are working with the sensitive data of the customer. IAM can restrict that they can do this work only from office premises and not from their home network. Third thing, as a customer, when you log in, you can only see the booking history of yourself and not other customers who have made booking into the platform. This and a lot more can be done in IAM. For example, you can group multiple different users and assign them roles and then manage their permission. All developers, for example, could be assigned a developer role. All customers could be given a customer role. All administrators could be assigned the administrator role. To enhance security, IAM also allows to enable MFA, that is multi-factor authentication. Like for example, before you make a booking or before you even log in, it will ask you for an OTP which is sent to your mobile number. IAM also has multi-factor authentication support. So this is the basic of IAM. It is basically the security guard of your application which you are deploying in the AWS system. Subscribe to our channel so that you can learn about many more AWS services one at a time, all under 5 minutes.